Hi everyone, this is Parrots from Agape Sanctuary in Melbourne, Australia. Now I've done a few of these videos. We're in the middle of winter in Melbourne. It's 17 degrees today. It's July the something after the 20th. It is so hot, the sun is beautiful. Now I'd like to teach a lot of you who have birds or who are curious about birds. So I'll be talking about companion birds, right? Not much different to the wild birds when it comes to baths. Showers. As you can see, they've all lined up. They all want their baths to keep their feathers clean. Birds know naturally. Now, who's over there? Is that Cocky? Hey, it's all right, babies. Now, they're screaming when I take the water away from them. Right, so there's 4 up here, and I can't reach unless I've got to go in. Hang on a second, watch me scream. Oh, you're all here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, where's Carmel? Carmel, where are you? Where's Carmel gone? Now they just fly me. They absolutely love their shower, friends. And why? Because birds have brains and intelligence, highest intelligence. They know they need to have a bath to keep their feathers clean for hygiene and for health. They know this innately. And what happens with a lot of birds who have been stolen from their parents as babies, which is the case with thousands of birds in Australia. Is that Carmel? Is they don't know that they have to have a bath because humans have stolen them, right? So if you have birds, please, when it's nice and sunny and you've got them outside like this, because they should not be stuck in small cages.